Usambut Menteri Rembak ka Jylla uba Presiden Tensong Ula Ong bayaka an Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act laneka MRSSA lapan Treikam BaroH kaway ka Jylla. Hakabalat thaw ya ki kanhon Treikam ki board district hapo ka jingpet ka jingkmi jong ki deputy commissioner hala ki district. Haba ajengkran sekilat pathai khubor uba Presiden Tensong ulapan pau bakane ka an kadang Treikam menta batlanang penklan susu habaro ki district Khamtam Nongbah Shillong. Hakaba ka jingpen Treikam ya kane ka an kabadang ya shakmat. Henry ulapan syairu baka MRSSA kamsyam labu ya ki jakarung lane ki jakami. Namar bakum kita ki kendan kimdan haka principal ak. Ula benrap ro bawatla ya menjur ya ka amended bill da ka yingdor bar tauan ka Jylla badla pha ru sya ka sorkar pedang lengba ulat. Henry ka jingbom don ki kendan ki bakerpeng ka khanglat ya ka Jylla banbu ya kum kine kilat kilenti.
Coming to India from different parts of our country. So the act is there, the law is there, the enforcers are there. So we take action accordingly as per the provision of the law. So that's what we are doing even till today. Yeah, this see, if you talk about the illegal immigration, this is the national subject. In fact, it's not the state subject. But let me tell you one thing: as far as the situation that we have in Bangladesh, now we have decided from the state government that we will also reactivate the function of the VDP in all the international border as well as the interstate border.
Will you be giving them arms?
Not necessarily arms, but we will do further training. We will have some kind of training, and then we will see also what are the basic requirements needed to be done, so that we are in the process of completing this whole issue. Then we will give some more, as I said to you, some more, some more training to the VDPs so that they can also handle this issue.
Sir, how safe our borders are right now?
No, right now we are safe. I'm not saying that we are not safe. We are safe because see, jointly, be it from the BSF side, be it from the police, state police side, we are fully alerted, and we have already directed even the district administration of all the districts in the state that they should be always alert whenever information is informed. Then action is taken.